Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make chocolate cranberry oat bars. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1½ cups of flour, 1½ cups of quick cooking oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of butter softened, 1½ cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, and 1/2 cup of pecans chopped. We are also going to need a 13 by 9 inch baking pan and then some non-stick spray. First we will mix together our 1½ cups of oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a small bowl and set that aside. I almost forgot, you also need 1½ cups of flour in your oat mixture. In a microwavable medium-sized bowl, we are going to mix together 1 cup of the dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of orange juice, and then microwave for 30 seconds. There we go. So now they're a little bit plumped and a little bit softer. We will now beat our butter and brown sugar together till it's well mixed. Wipe down your beater on the sides of the bowl, just so again everything can end up being well mixed. Now we will add the eggs and mix well, and then we'll add in our flour mixture and mix well again. Lastly, we will add in our cranberry mixture and then 1/2 cup of pecans and then 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate, which I'm using mini chips today. You can use regular chips if you'd like, but I thought I would go smaller. So you don't have to mix that up too long, just until it's all pretty well incorporated. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We are going to spray the bottom of our pan with a nonstick spray. I have this cute little misto here that I like to use. I fill it with olive oil, and it's reusable, and you put whatever type of oil in there that you like. Give your pan a good coating, and then we will put our cranberry oat mixture in here. Spread it out so it's one even layer, and then we will put it in that 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. All right, looks pretty well done. Brown around the edges, doesn't look jiggly or anything, so we'll let it cool and then taste it. The chocolate cranberry oat bars are done. Today is the first day of spring, so I nicely took a walk while the bars were cooling. It is a good 50 degrees out there today, so that's very nice. We have had good weather the last couple of weeks, so it's already felt spring-like. but today it's official. So, in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat these type of like oat bar things for snacks. So, let's see how it is. You can see lots of cranberries in there and the chocolate chips, so it smells delicious. Smells so good. Tastes as good as it smells. You can actually taste the orange juice in there a little bit. Taste the sweetness of the cranberry. You got the hint of chocolate. Oh, that's very good. Kind of soft cookie-like too. So, very delicious. I enjoy it. 2 thumbs up. In any case, I'm gonna go finish enjoying my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.